internet and communication. How does data travel between devices? OSI model, the path data takes. What is OSI model? OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. It's a framework used to understand and design network systems by breaking them down into several layers, each representing different functions of network communication. This model helps standardize networking protocol and ensure interoperability between different systems and technologies. The 7 layers of SI. Senders start from up to down: application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, physical layer. But receive starts from down to up. Application layer, the layer number 7. The application layer is the closest layer to the end user. It receives information from the end user and sends result back to the user. Despite its name, layer 7 is not where client application live. This layer provides the protocol that allows software or apps to transmit data in cloud, HTTP and HTTPS, FTP, POP, and SMTP and DNS. Presentation layer, the layer number 6. The presentation layer ensures the data is prepared in a usable form for the application layer receiving side or for the network layer sending side. Layer 6 is responsible for data translation, encryption and decryption and compression, other data preparation items. Season layer, the layer number 5. The season layer creates and maintains the season connection that two systems need in order to speak to each other. Layer 5 definition: when sessions are created and opened, how long sessions remain open to successful exchange data. When to close session, it also creates checkpoint to ensure and synchronized data transfer. Transport layer, the layer number 4. The transport layer uses transmission protocol include Transmission Control Protocol (TCP) and User Datagram Protocol (UDP) to manage network traffic between systems to ensure correct data transfer. On the sending side, it takes data from the session layer and breaks it into segments for the network layer. On the receiving side, it resembles the segment from the network layer and passes them onto the session layer. Network layer, the layer number 3. The network layer decides which physical path the data will take. It's responsible for breaking up transport layer segment into similar network packets for transmission and for reassembling those packets on the receiving system. This session routes packets to their destination mostly by using IP address. Layer 3 processing is generally bypassed when the sending and receiving system are on the same network. Data link layer, the layer number 2. The data link layer defines the format of data on the network. Like the network layer, the data link layer enables data transfer between two directly connected nodes or systems on the same network. Layer 2 also corrects errors that might have occurred at the physical layer, layer 1. It uses media access control (MAC) processing for flow control and multiplexing between two systems. It also uses logical link control (LLC) to provide flow control and error control. Physical layer, the layer number 1. The physical layer converts and transmits raw bit stream data 1S and 0S over the physical medium. Layer 1 concerns the physical and electrical connection the system uses. It includes wireless frequency links like Wi-Fi and wireless network connection, network cabling, light-speed transmission such as fiber optic cabling, transmission including voltage, and PIN layouts. This is how devices communicate. Each layer in the OSI model plays a vital role in this journey.